welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're new, welcome to my channel, the sew where I DIY things and show you how it's done. My name is Trang and I love to sew so much. And today, we're going to be making a super cute navy blue blouse that's made out of cotton fabric. If you're coming back to this channel, you might recognize this fabric. I'm sorry for the noise, also it's construction. But if you're... So this is some fabric that I used to make a dress in a previous video, and I still have some fabric left, so why not use it? I also have some string here that matches the color of my fabric. So I'm just going to cut my fabric into chunks. So I have 2 layers of fabric down on the table and I cut them into even rectangles. And now I'm gonna lay my shirt onto my fabric. So this is just a regular long sleeve shirt. I'm gonna put it down on 2 layers of the fabric. And then I'm just gonna start cutting the outline of the shirt. Now the fabric isn't going to be big enough to cut the entire outline of the shirt, so it's not gonna be a long sleeve shirt, but we'll make do with what we have. And I am making an off-the-shoulder blouse, so you want to make sure that the neckline of the blouse is wide enough to cover to go down your shoulders. After I've cut my fabric, I'm going to sew the shoulder tops of my shirt and the sides of my shirt. Next, I'm going to hem the shoulder top, the 2 little holes of the shoulder, and the bottom of my top. So I'm just gonna flip the fabric over 1 inch and sew where the fabric overlaps. I think that hemming fabric really makes it look more put together. It makes it look like it was store-bought, and I think that it just makes it look really crisp, and I really love hemming my clothes. Next, I have about 2 feet of ribbon that is made of the same fabric as my shirt, and it's about 1 inch wide, and I'm just gonna fold the width over and then sew it down. And this will make the straps to my cute blouse. I am going to sew it again by folding it in half just so it's thinner. Now I have my ribbon. I'm going to cut them into 4 equal pieces. Then I'm going to attach my ribbons right here in the front and right on the opposite side of my top as well.